Ever wondered about the secret to finding the perfect website designing company in South Delhi? The answer lies in understanding what you need and knowing where to look. So here's a guide to help you navigate the vast digital sea with 6 essential tips. First on the list is defining your needs. What are your goals? Who's your target audience? What functionalities do you envision on your website? Having a clear understanding of these aspects will not only help you communicate your needs effectively to potential agencies, but also set the stage for what's to come. Next, it's time to do some research. Look for website designing companies in South Delhi that have a strong portfolio and positive client reviews. Take a look at their previous work to see if their style aligns with your vision. Additionally, consider their experience and expertise in your industry. Once you have a short list of potential companies, it's time to reach out and ask for proposals. Provide them with a detailed brief of your requirements and ask for a quote. This will give you an idea of their pricing and the services they offer. After receiving the proposals, take the time to review them thoroughly. Look for companies that not only meet your requirements, but also offer innovative solutions and ideas. Consider their communication style and responsiveness as well. Now it's time to narrow down your options and schedule meetings or calls with the top contenders. This will give you a chance to discuss your project in detail and get a feel for their working style. Ask questions, share your ideas, and see how well they understand and align with your vision. Finally, it's decision time. Evaluate all the information you have gathered and choose the website designing company in South Delhi that best fits your needs and budget. Remember to consider factors like experience, expertise, portfolio, client reviews, and communication. Finding the perfect website designing company in South Delhi may seem like a daunting task, but with these 6 essential tips, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision. So start your search today and get ready to bring your website vision to life. Next, make sure you evaluate the agency's portfolio. This is like a window into their world, showcasing their style, creativity, and versatility. Look for a variety of projects, and more importantly, projects that resonate with your vision. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of client testimonials and reviews. These are insights from those who've walked the path before you. They can shed light on the agency's reliability, their communication style, and how they manage projects. The 4th tip is to consider the agency's expertise and experience in your industry. An agency that knows your field inside out can anticipate your needs and offer solutions that are tailor-made for your business. 5th on the list is communication and collaboration. A successful partnership thrives on an open and transparent dialogue. Ensure the agency values collaboration and responds promptly to your queries. And last but not least, consider your budget and the quality of work. While the cost is important, remember that quality should never be compromised for a lower price. Assess the value offered against the quoted price. A well-crafted website is an investment that can pay dividends in the future. There you have it. 6 essential tips for choosing the right web design agency. By following these, you can make the process less daunting and more effective. Remember, a well-designed website doesn't just enhance your online presence, it can be a game changer for your business growth. So, choose wisely and invest in a website that truly reflects the essence of your brand.